Look at this winter wonderland. The cold has broken my bucket. The water expanded and broke my bucket all the way up. So I'm gonna have to fix that with some Gorilla Tape and or toss it in the garbage. Those are doggy tracks. And any markings you might see is because I need to clean the outside of this door. The glass on the outside is pretty mucky. But look at all of that snow. I was not expecting to see this much snow, and it is still coming down. I don't know if you all can see that. The snow is still coming down, and we're supposed to have snow for the next couple of days. But yes, this is unexpected. Quite unexpected. All this lovely white stuff. The dog was outside, as you can see. I'm going to put a clip of her in towards the end of this video so that you can see her reaction. She normally doesn't mind the snow too much. She actually likes being outside, but I think this was a bit much for her. She wasn't expecting it to be this way, so she went outside and went, no. I'm gonna go back in. This is not what I was expecting today. But she was out earlier and she had a really good time in it. You can see the wind is gusting. Can you guys see the wind gusting and blowing that snow around? Wow, unbelievable. So I hope you guys are liking this little bit of winter. If you're not having winter in your area, we are definitely having winter. The weather is pretty cold. Look at that. I'll have to show you guys again another clip when the snow is even deeper, because then neither one of us will be able to get out this back door. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick clip of this small winter garden scene. I've enjoyed watching it. See you in the next video.